everybody. This is Bee from Mama Bee's Kitchen. I hope everybody have a great day. Today, guys, we're gonna make vanilla cupcakes. I'm gonna finish them off with raspberry buttercream frosting and garnish them with the raspberries. Okay, as you know, Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. Let's just get right into it, guys. Let's start with the ingredients. I'll show you what you will need. You will need milk, sour cream, sugar, egg whites, self-rising flour, vanilla extract, baking cups, and butter. And for our frosting, we're gonna need confectioners sugar, 1 stick of butter, and raspberry preserves. Okay, guys, so let's get right into it now. We're gonna start off step number 1. We're gonna sift all our dry ingredients, which will be the flour, okay, and the sugar. Keep in mind, with this recipe, since we are using self-rising flour, we won't need baking powder, baking soda, or salt for leavening. Okay, now we can set this aside while we are working on our wet ingredients. In here I have butter. Into the butter I'm gonna add egg whites, vanilla extract, sour cream, milk, then I'm gonna mix all this. Next, I'm gonna add my flour in 3 batches. I'm gonna mix this until smooth. Then I'll add my last flour and mix till combined. Next, I'm gonna take the spatula and scrape the sides. Our cupcake batter is ready. I'm gonna take the ice cream scoop and fill my cups 3/4 full, just like so, guys. Okay, we got 11 cupcakes from this recipe because the baking cups are a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the remaining one. Now we're gonna bake this at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna do our raspberry buttercream frosting while we're still waiting for our cupcakes to cool down. Into my bowl, I have 1 pound of icing sugar. Into my icing sugar, I'm gonna add 1 stick of room temperature butter, I'm gonna add a dash of salt, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and add my raspberry preserve. With my hand mixer, I'm gonna mix everything together. If you see that it's not coming to the consistency that you like, just add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. Okay, now I'm gonna take the spatula and scrape the bowl. Now it's time to frost our cupcakes. Now we're gonna top our cupcakes with raspberries. Okay, there you have it, guys. Vanilla cupcakes with raspberry buttercream frosting and garnished with raspberries. Try this recipe, guys, and let me know how it turned out in the comments down below. Please share this video with your friends and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Honey for my honey, bye my honey.